Imagine waking up. A war has just begun. But something feels different. No massive invasion, no endless rows of soldiers. Instead, satellites are scanning the Earth. AI systems are analyzing millions of signals every second. Military commanders are receiving battlefield updates in real time. Drones are identifying potential targets faster than any human could. The battlefield hasn't disappeared, it has evolved. The next war may not be won by the country with the biggest army, it could be won by the country with the smartest AI. So here's the question. Is artificial intelligence becoming the world's most powerful weapon? But here's the part most people don't know. Modern wars are no longer decided only by missiles or fighter jets. Today, the real battle begins with data. Every satellite image, every drone signal, every radar pulse, every online movement. Billions of pieces of information are collected every single day. No human army could ever process that much data, but AI can. In just seconds, it can detect patterns, track military movements, and help commanders make decisions faster than ever before. The question is no longer who has the biggest army. The real question is who has the smartest AI. This isn't science fiction. It's already happening every single day. Military satellites capture thousands of new images from space. Drones monitor vast areas in real time. Radar systems track aircraft, ships, and missile launches. The challenge isn't collecting information, it's understanding it fast enough. That's where artificial intelligence changes everything. AI can quickly highlight unusual patterns, compare new images with older ones, and help analysts focus on what matters most. Instead of spending hours searching through data, teams can make faster, more informed decisions. In modern warfare, speed isn't just an advantage. Sometimes it's survival. While America was building military AI, it wasn't alone. Around the world, governments realized that artificial intelligence could become one of the most important technologies of the century. Today, countries are investing billions of dollars into AI research, advanced computing, and next-generation defense systems. This isn't just about building smarter software, it's about gaining a strategic advantage. The race is no longer only about bigger armies, it's about faster decisions, better data, and more capable technology. And this global competition has only just begun, because the future of warfare may depend on who leads the AI race. The truth is, artificial intelligence is no longer a technology of the future. It's already shaping the world around us. Military planning, intelligence analysis, cyber defense, logistics. These systems are becoming faster, smarter, and more connected every year. But every technological breakthrough brings a new responsibility. The biggest question isn't whether AI will become more powerful. It almost certainly will. The real question is, how will humanity choose to use it? The future of warfare may not be decided only by weapons. It may be decided by the choices we make today. And that future has already begun.